Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to know that your web camera is working properly, because my webcam was not working properly when I was using Zoom, and then I tried to find out why it is not working properly. Then I tried different method to solve the problem, and then I later find out that my webcam was blocked with this here, like there. So, and it shows the red here. So if you do like this, slide that, it will appear like plain, but then sliding out this just appears there is a red signal. So it's easy. Sometimes we try different method and your webcam still shows a black screen. So just make sure that your laptop is just laptop camera is not blocked with this thing. Okay, thank you.